What's up, guys? It's time to set this Decatur deck board up. Got the clairvoyant wheels and Leaf-Eye trucks, 29mm. Can't wait to try these wheels for you guys. See what's up with it. And this deck. I've been looking at Decatur decks for a while now, and I must say it's pretty high quality. Like, you can tell just from holding it in your hands. And it was pressed really nicely. It's a very thin pressed deck, so that means it's not too heavy, which will definitely help with performance. Let's get these wheels on. Bearings sound amazing, good free spin. All right, all done. Let's check it out. Looks so good. Sweet test. Not bad. I know it'll get better as it breaks in. Really good bearings. Let's get some tricks in. I must say, the setup feels really good. Overall, a really good setup. Like, the wheels aren't too heavy, and then the deck also isn't too heavy, so it gives it like a really nice weight and feel. Definitely a 10 out of 10. And the clairvoyant wheels, butter. Definitely ready to order some more. Highly, highly recommend.